Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. On today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up and run a successful dropshipping business. It is somehow controversial when it comes to Temu and running a dropshipping business due to their policies since they do not openly support dropshipping. But we're going to try and see some methods how we can work around that problem and see if we can run a dropshipping business that would be profitable. As a brief introduction, Temu is known for its wide range of affordable products. From electronics to home goods, the platform offers a competitive pricing, which makes it ideal for creating a profitable business. To be honest, if you would buy an item from Temu, it would be fairly inexpensive, and considering its price, selling it on another e commerce platform would definitely be profitable. In order to get started with this dropshipping business, we would need to get two things straight. The first thing is to set up a Temu account. You can click on sign in or register on the top side of your screen. It is located right next to the search bar, and by doing so, you're provided with a dialog box by which you can sign up with a Google account, or perhaps if you already have an account, you can log into it. By clicking on Google and selecting the email address that you want to use for this account, you can proceed to create your account officially. All right, once this is sorted, now you're able to make purchases and navigate through Temu as a customer. The next essential step to start this dropshipping business will be to set up an online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix work perfectly. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Shopify and navigate through the process of setting it up and integrating it with Temu. To link these two platforms and import products from Temu onto your Shopify store, you can click on Apps. This is located on the left side of your screen, and once you click that, you're going to be able to preview any of the apps that are already installed within your Shopify account, or else you could search for a new one in the App Store. In order to do this, you can proceed to click all recommended apps so that you would be able to preview a broader range of apps and select Shopify App Store on the bottom side of this dialog box. Once you do that, you'll be directed to the website for Shopify's App Store. For this specific purpose, the app that we're going to use is going to be Robo Product Importer. You can simply search for it on the search bar. This is the correct app. And after reviewing all of the important informations that you have within the display, you can click on Install and proceed to the next step. On the next display, you would need to confirm by clicking Install again. And once you've done that, you would be prompted to get the extension for ease of use. You can click on Get Extension here and add it to your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using so that it would be easier for you to access this app. With that process finalized, you can pin your extension to have it accessible whenever you open up your browser and then hop onto your Temu account. Within your Temu account, now it's time to specify the product that you're going to be selling on your e-commerce platform. After having selected that product, you can further open it up on a new tab and then proceed to click on your extension for Robo Product Importer. By doing this, you would initiate a pop-up dialog box to open up on top of your screen. You can proceed to further click on Add to Shopify so that this product is going to be previewed within Robo. After a little while of processing, the product's detail, descriptions, and image are going to be previewed within Robo Product Importer. After having checked that everything is as per your standards on Shopify, you can click on Add Product to Shopify. And with that, you'll be finalizing the process of importing that specific product from your Robo Product Importer to your Shopify store app. And next up, you can further make adjustments on the description, title, and perhaps adjust the pricing and also the shipping details to further suit your market. Once you've done that, you can click on Save just as you would for a normal product listing, and that will have you all set. The product will be listed on your product list and collections. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell how you can run a dropshipping business on Temu by using another e-commerce platform. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next